Enhance your content creation and exploration with a high-quality drone that perfectly combines functionality and enjoyment. Whether you're a filmmaker wanting to inject cinematic flair into your projects or a travel vlogger searching for a new viewpoint, the ideal drone can be your ultimate partner. In this video we break down 5 best budget drones 2024 on the market for this year based on price, performance and situations they'll be used in, so if you're interested in finding out which drone will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which drone you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, S188 Dual Camera GPS RC Drone. The S188 GPS RC Drone, your ultimate companion for professional aerial photography. This high-tech drone is designed for precision and ease of use, making it perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 4K HD dual camera and advanced GPS functionality, capturing stunning visuals has never been easier. Equipped with dual cameras and optical flow technology, the S188 offers a comprehensive 180-degree view, adjustable via remote control. Its GPS positioning ensures accurate flight paths and includes features like one-click return, automatic low-power return, and out-of-control safety protocols. Operating the S188 is a breeze, thanks to its 6-channel gyroscope system and multiple control modes. You can fly it up, down, left, or right with precision. Plus, with a connected Wi-Fi system, you can stream live footage, take photos, or even perform trajectory flights directly from your smartphone. The intelligent follow and one-button surround features make it easy to capture dynamic shots on the go. Portability is key with the S188. Its foldable arms and compact design make it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. With a 22-minute flight time, 5G Wi-Fi signal, and a remote control range of up to 2,000 meters, this drone is built for extended use. Whether day or night, the built-in LED lights ensure visibility and safety. Ready to elevate your aerial photography? The S188 GPS RC Drone is your ticket to capturing the world from a whole new perspective. Fourth product on our list, Xiaomi V168 Photography GPS Drone. The Xiaomi V168 Drone, a powerful device packed with features that make it perfect for capturing stunning visuals. From its 8K HD dual camera system to its advanced GPS positioning, this drone is designed for both hobbyists and professionals who demand top-tier performance. The Xiaomi V168 Drone boasts a 5G Wi-Fi connection that enables seamless real-time image transmission, even at distances of up to 3,000 meters. Equipped with foldable arms, it's easy to carry and store, making it a versatile choice for on-the-go photographers. The drone's camera is adjustable by 90 degrees via remote control, ensuring you get the perfect angle for every shot. With up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture. The GPS positioning mode ensures accurate flight paths, while the altitude hold mode provides stability for smooth shooting. It also includes an orbital movement function, allowing the drone to fly in circles for dynamic camera angles. For those who like to plan their flights, the waypoint flight mode lets you draw your desired route directly on your screen, and the drone will follow it precisely. The Xiaomi V168 Drone is a top-of-the-line option for anyone serious about aerial photography. Its combination of powerful cameras, advanced flight modes, and user-friendly features make it a standout in the market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this drone offers everything you need to take your photography to new heights. Third product on our list, S136 Max 4K HD GPS Drone. The S136 Max GPS Drone might be just what you need. This drone is packed with cutting-edge technology, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. With 4K HD dual cameras, obstacle avoidance, and GPS positioning, it's designed to deliver stunning aerial photography and reliable performance. The S136 Max stands out with its 4K HD dual cameras, allowing you to capture crystal-clear images from multiple angles. The front-facing camera can be adjusted 90 degrees via the remote, giving you a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Equipped with GPS positioning, the drone ensures accurate flights and features one-touch return for safe landings, even when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature enhances safety during flights, making it perfect for capturing those challenging shots. Ease of use is a key highlight of the S136 Max. With 6-axis gyroscope stabilization, the drone offers smooth and stable flight in all directions. It's equipped with a headless mode and adjustable speed settings, ensuring that users of all skill levels can enjoy a seamless flying experience. The foldable design and compact size make it incredibly portable, so you can take it anywhere without hassle. The S136 Max GPS Drone is a versatile and feature-rich option for anyone interested in aerial photography. Its combination of advanced technology, user-friendly controls, and portability make it a top choice for capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this drone offers the performance and reliability you need. Second product on our list, Potensic ATOM 4K Camera Drone. The Potensic ATOM 4K Camera Drone, a professional-grade mini drone that's perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage on the go. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, this palm-sized drone is not only ultra-portable but also doesn't require FAA registration. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry along on your travels, ensuring you're always ready to capture breathtaking moments from above. Equipped with a 4K camera featuring a Sony CMOS sensor, the ATOM captures crystal-clear images and videos at 30 frames per second. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures rock-steady footage, even in level 5 windy conditions. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, the ATOM's 6 km transmission range and upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology offer unparalleled control and confidence during flight. But it's not just about stability and range. The ATOM comes loaded with creative features like visual tracking and quick shots, including pull away, rocket, and more. These intelligent modes allow you to capture cinematic shots effortlessly, making it easier than ever to bring your creative vision to life. With up to 32 minutes of flight time on a single charge, the ATOM lets you explore and shoot for longer periods. The Potensic ATOM is incredibly beginner-friendly. Its enhanced GPS capabilities ensure precise positioning, while the auto-return feature brings the drone safely back to its takeoff point with just a tap. Always improving with photo firmware updates, the Potensic ATOM 4K camera drone is the perfect companion for capturing high-quality aerial footage, whether you're a professional or just getting started. First product on my list, FIMI MINI 3 Photography Drone. The FIMI MINI 3 drone is a game-changer for aerial photography enthusiasts. This compact drone captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering incredibly detailed and smooth footage. It features a Sony 48MP half-inch CMOS sensor that excels in both bright and low-light conditions. With its AI Super Night video technology, it boasts a 400% improvement in signal-to-noise ratio, making night shots remarkably clear. Equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, the FIMI MINI 3 ensures ultra-stable video even in challenging conditions. The new Lowe's precision stabilization algorithm keeps your footage steady during high-speed flights and strong winds. Additionally, its advanced SoLink system offers high-definition real-time video transmission up to 9 kilometers away, with dual-band support for a stable connection. Weighing only 250 grams, this ultralight drone is incredibly portable and easy to fold for storage. It's designed for convenience with USB Type-C fast charging, allowing quick top-ups with your phone's charger. The FIMI MINI 3 also features excellent wind resistance, making it suitable for various environments. The FIMI MINI 3 provides an exceptional flying experience. Its combination of advanced technology, portability, and robust performance makes it a top choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage.